Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best pool table rails is probably one of the most important yet overlooked aspects of a great pool game. Choosing the right rails and bumpers can significantly impact your game's precision and enjoyment, from the consistent bounce of the balls to the overall feel of the table. This video will guide you through the key factors to consider when selecting superior rails and bumpers for your pool table, ensuring a smooth, accurate, and enjoyable playing experience. Number 5. Podoy 8-Foot Pool Table Kit. Upgrade your pool table with our complete replacement kit. It includes everything you need for a smooth, accurate game. These bumpers are made from high-quality rubber, ensuring a long lifespan and consistent ball rebound. They're far superior to cheaper, extruded rubber. This kit provides 6 durable bumpers, plus 8 corner and 4 side pocket facings. Everything is included for a professional-looking repair. Is your old pool table looking worn? This kit will restore it to its former glory, providing years of enjoyable gameplay. Designed specifically for 8-foot tables, these bumpers are precisely sized for a perfect fit. Measurements are provided to ensure compatibility. Replacing your old bumpers is simple. Just apply adhesive and attach the new ones. It's a quick and easy way to improve your game. What we like. It's made of premium rubber, ensuring a long lifespan and accurate ball rebounds. This product also includes extra pocket facings, offering great value. If you're looking for a durable, complete kit that's easy to install, this is the one for you. What people say. Felt plays very well. The quality and feel of felt underhand in my opinion is top-notch. These worked out great. The finished product is amazing and works perfectly. These bumpers are quite nice. The ball does not bounce off them too fast. They are sturdy yet flexible, just enough bounce to appreciate the assist. Number 4. K66 Rubber Bumpers for 8-Foot Pool Table. These premium rubber bumpers are designed to perfectly fit your 8-foot pool table, providing superior protection and enhanced gameplay. They're the most common choice for home tables, safeguarding your rails from damage and ensuring years of enjoyment. Experience smoother ball rolls and more accurate shots with these high-quality cushions. It significantly improves your game. Installation is a breeze. They're designed for a seamless fit and quick setup. Get back to playing in minutes. Each bumper measures 43.25 inches long, 1 inch wide, and 1.125 inches high. They're the perfect size for your 8-foot table. This set includes 6 bumpers, providing comprehensive protection for your entire pool table. Enjoy worry-free gameplay. What we like. It's the most common size for home tables, making it a convenient and straightforward replacement. Installation is simple and quick. If you need a simple, standard replacement for your home pool table, this is a great option. What people say. Comparing old to new cushions is like night and day. The old ones were much harder and even starting to crumble in places. Excellent and exact replacement bumpers. Nice product and did well on a 22-year-old table. Number 3. Hans Delta K66 Bumpers. These premium bumpers are designed to revitalize your 8-foot pool table. They're the perfect replacement for worn-out cushions, ensuring a smooth and accurate game. Specifically crafted for 8-foot pool tables, they provide a precise fit and superior performance. Enjoy a game as smooth as the day you bought your table. With a 42-inch length and a common K66 profile, it's likely a perfect match for your home table. Installation is quick and easy. These bumpers meet all BCA standards for accuracy, guaranteeing a fair and consistent game every time. Play with confidence knowing they meet professional standards. Crafted with precision in Taiwan, they're built to last. Experience the difference quality makes. This set includes 6 bumpers, providing a complete replacement for your pool table. Get back to enjoying your game with a renewed playing surface. What we like. This product meets BCA standards for accuracy, ensuring consistent gameplay. It's made in Taiwan, known for its quality manufacturing. If you prioritize accuracy and quality, and want a product that meets professional standards, then choose this one. What people say. Bumpers came in as described. All laid out straight and banded together. Breeze to install and great quality. My son and I purchased worsted felt and these rails to resurface our pool table ourselves. With a little help from YouTube we were easily able to do it ourselves, and these new rails are so much better than our old ones. These rails were a perfect fit, received as listed. Bought from another supplier and had to send them back. They too were listed as K66 rails, but when I got them they were 1 inch x 1 inch approximate smaller than listed and were smaller than the original rails. These from Scott Edward were exactly as needed, 1 to 1/8 x 1 to 3/16. Number 2. Billiards cushion facings. Give your pool table a new lease on life with these premium cushion facings. They're designed for a perfect fit and long-lasting durability. These aren't your average facings, they're made from thick, heavy-duty rubber for superior performance and resilience. They'll withstand countless games. The strong adhesive backing ensures a secure and lasting bond to your pool table rails. Installation is quick and easy. These facings are the perfect finishing touch when replacing your pool table's rubber cushions. They provide a professional, finished look. This set includes 12 premium cushion facings, enough to cover a standard-sized pool table. Get everything you need in one convenient package. Transform your pool table with these high-quality cushion facings. Enjoy a superior playing experience for years to come. What we like. These facings are heavy-duty and made of thick rubber with a strong adhesive backing. They are perfect for completing your bumper replacement. If you need durable and long-lasting facings to finish your bumper replacement, this is the ideal choice. What people say. These were easy to install and worked great. Got here fast. Good quality, and they are doing a great job on newly restored 100 years old pool table. Easy to install. Number 1. K66 Pool Table Rail Cushions. These durable rubber bumpers are designed to revitalize your 9-foot pool table. They're the perfect replacement for worn-out cushions, ensuring a smooth and consistent game. It's the most common size for home pool tables. They're easy to install and will give your table a renewed look and feel. Made from high-quality rubber, they provide excellent impact absorption and durability. Enjoy a more precise and enjoyable game. With precise dimensions of 49.75 inches long, 1 inch wide, and 1.125 inches high, it ensures a perfect fit for your 9-foot table. They're designed for a seamless installation. This set includes 6 cushions, providing complete protection for your pool table rails. Replace all your old cushions at once for a consistent playing surface. Installation is straightforward and can be done quickly. Bring your pool table back to life with ease. What we like. Specifically designed for 9-foot tables, it's the most common size for home use, ensuring a perfect fit. Installation is easy and quick. If you have a 9-foot pool table and need a reliable replacement, this is the one for you. What people say. These are good quality rubber rails with back and top fused fabric backing. The rubber is definitely fresh and has that strong new rubber odor. Cutting them to fit exactly is part of the install process, which is also why this same product will work on 9, 8, 7-foot tables. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.